Oh.
Merry Christmas! What'd Santa bring? What is that in your living room?
What is it?
Are those some new toys? Are those some new toys?
Straight to the old ones.
Yeah, sure. What's that?
I think he's afraid. Eee, go get it, go get it, go get it!
Asher's going through the tunnel for the first time. He made it! Give yourself a round of applause, Asher.
Yay!
Was that fun? Was that fun? Were you a little unsure?
I had to push him out.
Well, not really. Just in the beginning.
Yeah, sometimes kids need a little push.
Is that your tunnel?
From Grandma and Grandpa.
What is it? Go that way. There you go. You gotta open it up first. Look at. Take the paper. Go.
Ooh.
Whoa, Ruby, come on. Whoa, is that the coolest thing ever?
Wow.
Oh boy, that is definitely gonna be a hit.
Yeah.
It spins and it's a guitar.
Asher, can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Asher.
Look at
Ooh.
Let's count.
Ooh.
Come on, count it out. 5 ducks.
5 ducks.
2, 3, 4, 2, 1 cow. 1.
Okay. Hey buddy, ready for another one? He doesn't want to leave the guitar. Yeah, you're dancing to the music, huh?
Okay. Let's try this one for you.
Well, that's from your aunt. I'll do this one from your mom and dad. Let's look at what's in this one, bud. Look at that fun bow. Will you videotape it now? He just wants the guitar. Mama will help. Whoa, oh, what is it gonna be? What's in there? What's in there? Cool. Is it a glowworm?
Oh.
Asher, look. Oh. What do you think about him?
Hopefully it helps him sleep.
That is cute. Yay! Is that his nose?
Asher, what do you got there?
Jingle bell, jingle bell. That is the coolest new instrument. You have nothing like that. Yay!
Yay.
Those are bells. Shake, shake, shake.